Hello everyone, welcome to Sources Classes. So in this video again we will be continuing our discussion with respect to the general intelligence section of the paper. So what we will be doing is basically we will take a look at the previous year questions that were asked as a part of this particular section of the paper, and then subsequently we will try and identify what the right approaches being towards solving this paper, so that whenever we come across this kind of question further down the line as well, we are easily able to solve the same. So if we talk about the GI section of the general intelligence section in general, we haven't really seen any unexpected out of the box kind of question this time round. But one thing to be noted that the question were seem to be a little bit trickier as compared to the previous years. Okay, so that would in turn increase the complexity of the paper in general. Okay, so having said that, we'll focus on a certain kind of relationship building kind of questions in this particular video. Okay, so having said that, let's focus on the three questions in front of us. In this question, select the related letter, word or number from the given alternatives. Okay, so let's start off with number one. So here driven is written as never. Okay, and subsequently we need to find the relationship, the similar word, a word that shares a similar relationship with become. Okay, now let's take a look at driven and never. So if you go through this, you'll basically notice one thing, that D comes in here, R comes in here, I here, V here, E, and finally N. So basically the driven has been written from the first letter has been written in the last place, subsequently second letter second last, third letter remains in the third place, fourth letter comes V comes third place, E here, and finally here. Okay, so if we go ahead and try and write the same for Begum, what we can write is that, suppose we have Begum here, so M will be the first letter, okay, followed by U, followed by G, E, and finally B. Okay, so Mugeb, M-U-G-E-B. Option D will be the answer. Okay, I hope this is clear. So having said that, let's move to question number 2. So we have to find a similar kind of relationship that is expressed between smell, flower and taste. So one thing we can know, what we have here is smell, flower. So flower we can smell. Okay, flower releases fragrance that we can detect by the smell. Okay, similarly if we talk about food, okay, so food we have to taste, right? So what kind of relationship should something like food be actually, taste be actually related to? So if we talk about water, water doesn't necessarily have any taste. Okay, so water will be wrong one. Salt is already a kind of taste. Okay, so in case if we are talking about smell, had it been something fragrance or odor, something like that, so that way salt and sweet are kind of tastes. So these are irrelevant again. So food should be the right word, because food, they have a certain taste, be it salty or sweet, and we taste the same. So food would be the right choice as far as this particular question is concerned. Okay, now let's talk about this one. Okay, we have 12 and 30, so similar relationship we need to maintain with respect to 18. Okay, so now if we take a look, initially we could have gone on with a ratio kind of thing. Okay, so if we go with the ratio, then it turns out to be say 6 by 5. Okay, so it turns out to be 6 by 5. So 6 by 15, my bad, 6 by 15. Okay, 3 6 ja or 2 6 ja 12 and 2 15 ja 30. So if we apply the same here, so 3 into 6, again 5 here, 3 into 5, 3 into 15, so that should be 45. So 45 in this particular place will be the answer. Okay, so 45 in this particular case can be the answer because a similar kind of relationship has been maintained. 2 6 ja 12, 2 15 ja 30, 3 6 ja 18, 3 15 ja 45. So 45 will be our answer in this case. But similarly, another kind of relationship can be established. So this question is a very ambiguous one. So this is one of the way we can go ahead and build this kind of relationship. Another one would be here what's given. It's given 12 to 30, right? So 12 to 30 can be attained like 12 into 2, that is 24 plus 6. Okay, now we have 18 again. So if we use the same 18 into 2, 36 plus 6, 42. So again this can also be the answer. Okay, so there are two possibilities. So these two possibilities are actually given, one in terms of ratio and another in terms of the plus basically BODMAS operation. So either one can be the answer as far as this particular case is concerned. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. And one more we can we attain it in any other way. So this is 6 2 ja 12, 6 5 ja 30, difference of 3. Similarly 6 3 ja, okay, there are multiple cases can be formed. Another thing we can have 6 2 ja 12, 6 5 ja 30. Okay, so we have a difference of 3 here. Another pattern we can form is 6 3 ja 18 and difference of 3 19 20 4 5 6 6 6 ja 36, difference of 3. So this can also be the potential answer. So whenever we come across this sort of questions in the examination where it is really vague which can be the answer, because there can be so far we have identified 3 patterns in this. First one this, second this, and third this. So it's better to leave out this kind of question. Okay, so they have 3 possible answers, either 36 or 42 or 45. So any one of this can be the answer. So it's always better to leave out this kind of question. So in case you have any doubt with respect to the questions that we have discussed, I suggest you go through the video multiple times so that you can get a general idea on how to go about solving the same. Okay. Now, with all that said and done, in case you are looking to get yourself a detailed solution of the entire paper, I suggest you look us up. So for that, what you can do is basically go through the description section of the video, where you will find a bunch of details pertaining to our website link, our email addresses, and our contact numbers for WhatsApp call and text. Feel free to connect with us in case you have any kind of doubt regarding exam preparation or topic-wise queries of any sorts. Feel free to connect with us, and we'll be more than happy to help you out with the same as well. Okay, so with all this said and done, in case you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel so that we can come up with relevant content such as this further down the line. And with all that said, I'll be signing out. We will continue discussion on the similar question in the subsequent videos. Until then, thank you so much.